In this video I'm going to show you the CircuPool RJ Series saltwater generator for your pool. I'm going to go over the features and benefits of installing a CircuPool RJ Series salt system. And if you're in the market for a saltwater system, the CircuPool RJ Series would be a great choice. The RJ Series is a 5-star rated saltwater system. It's also backed by a 7-year limited warranty, which is the best warranty in the industry today. And there are actually 5 different models in the RJ Series. This is the RJ45, so it's rated for up to a 45,000 gallon pool. So if you're running the RJ45 on full production, it'll produce 2 pounds of chlorine every day, which is equivalent to about 2 gallons of liquid chlorine. Another notable feature of the RJ Series is that the cell is the same dimensions as a Hayward Aquarite T-cell. And this means that if your pool currently has a Hayward Aquarite system on it, you can retrofit the RJ Series directly in without any replumbing. And some notable features of this cell: you can see that the cell is clear, so you can easily see inside here to see if there's any calcium buildup on the cell plates. Another nice feature of having a clear cell is that you can actually see the chlorine production inside the cell. You're going to see bubbles in here when it's producing chlorine. Another nice thing about the RJ Series cell is that it's rated for 15,000 hours. Most salt cells are rated for 10,000 hours. And the control module features an OLED screen. It also features a touchpad. I'll go over this in more detail when I have the cell connected and hooked up, and I'll show you the operation of the control panel. And one thing to note, this control module will display your salt level or your salinity level in parts per million. It'll also indicate if your pool has high salt or low salt. Again, I'll go over this in more detail when I have this connected to a pool. And the control module also features this really nice protective cover over the keypad and screen. And the control module is definitely well constructed. It weighs probably about 12 pounds, so it's a really solid unit. And one thing about salt system sizing, again, there's 5 different sizes of the RJ Series. You have the RJ16, RJ20, RJ30, RJ45, and RJ60. I always recommend getting a saltwater system that has the output for twice the size of your pool. So for example, if you have a 20,000 gallon pool, I definitely would go with the RJ45. This will give you a lot of cushion as far as the output of the chlorine that's produced by the system. And also, if you have an oversized salt system at your pool, you can run the output at a lower percentage, thereby extending the life of the salt cell. And the fact that the RJ Series has no electronics on the cell at all means that the replacement cost is also going to be very affordable. Okay, let me show you what comes in the box with the RJ Series. You have a what's in the box guide. You also have the installation and operation manual. And in the box is a control module. You also have the anchor to mount the control module to the wall. And included are the 4 mounting screws. And there's also one extra 15 amp fuse for the control module. And you have this included jumper if you're going to convert the voltage to 110 volts. In the box you're also going to find the salt cell itself. And also included are 2 O-rings for the unions. And in the box are 2 2-inch unions for 2-inch plumbing, and 2 1.5 unions if you have 1.5-inch plumbing. And also in the box is a flow switch, which needs to be plumbed in. And if you have 1.5-inch plumbing, included are 2 reducer bushings for the flow switch. You'd only use these if you have 1.5-inch plumbing. So everything for the installation of the CircuPool RJ Series comes included in the box. That's an overview and a look at what comes in the box of the RJ Series saltwater system from CircuPool. Leslie's Pool Supplies has been do-it-yourselfers and pool trade professionals' trusted partner since 1963, providing quality products and services to make pool care easy and solutions and expertise to do it right.